Hello, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Viggy, and I maak video's mostly of Yiddish. Van me vangt toen de handige video, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing, was helpt me in the channel rose tremendously, so thank you for that. En als je kent weer naar channel member, that would be greatly appreciated. It's a help of the channel tremendously, so thank you. Van me gaat water wil ik zeggen. Is er nicht, absolutely, 0% chance. This is financial advice, so it's nicht, not financial advice. So please be very careful. De market gaat wegnemen alles wat die host. Wat die kent borgen, schuldig wie ze die heist. Kijk maar wie een kind, wie een adult, wo spielt Lego. En weiß nicht, was het. So yeah, please do not copy trade, follow nicht. This is for entertainment purposes only. Everything is good. Good morning, good morning. Jim with a J. Good morning. Blood on Wall Street, yes. Good morning, good morning. Trump's tariffs hat aangekickt. A 3% hat gedrapt nächten. Was ist normal? Das ist normal, der Oilem ist ungezogen, der Oilem weiß nicht, wo es, wenn, wie. But, jetzt haben wir ihn mal angebaut in Office. Bin ich zu sehen, jetzt haben wir ihn gewollt. Das ist, was er ihn gebringt. Rates are dropping. In Myanmar, the 7.7 earthquakes, halt schon bei Iber. 2,800 people. Was sind einfach immer gekommen? What a crazy situation there. I hope everybody's well. I am running a drop late, doing my setup. Which is okay. Which is okay. Gonna be a very interesting few days. Zu sehen, wo der Market ist und wo es ist nicht. You know what I'm saying? Pa pi pa 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 pa. I am running a few minutes late, Aunt. Oh my God, today mix. But I think overall people are happy. It's a field wie se geit kimmen as a stickel. How could I put it? Amerika, the gules Amerika is consumption a ganze Zeit. Man will a ganze Zeit konsumen in noch. Man ordert schon etwas on Amazon, und man schon nicht happy, ordert man schon noch etwas. Was geht machen actually noch mehr happier. Und also on and on. Amul hat man noch at least gedacht gehen to the store. But the hand is just totally outside the window. So this is the gules Amerika. Man läuft noch Geld. Man läuft noch Geld die ganze Zeit und man will noch ein schönerer Object. Und ich meine, wegen der Tariffs geht kommen nach das, wie die Oilem geht sich beruhigen. Na, das nicht. Chillax. Take your back seat. And if that happens, a Sache inter a dollar, do. Kann ich gut nicht stehen mit $100. So, once the Oilem geht aufhören kaufen, stießen, in nur kaufen, was man will, nicht nur will, was man darf, geht es changen the situation. Warum hat es changen? Because mit nur kaufen, was man will. Ich meine, was man darf, sorry. And equals, die Oilem sind ruhiger, die Oilem sind mehr Kammer, es ist mehr Geld in der Bankaccount. Und als du mehr Geld in der Bankaccount, du mehr Geld noch dem zu spenden. Wie sie mir sagt, weniger Sachen, but mehr Quality. Brooklyn. Good morning, Brooklyn. How you doing? Ich kann machen dann zufrieden mit Viggy. Let's go this morning. Pa-di-da-pa-da-pam-pa. How are you, Brooklyn? Wie ist dein Tab? Ja, du hast Tab open. Oh, right here. Dort, wie ich hab mir übergelassen. Haben dir also gelegen. Amazon hat angelegt ein Bid zu kaufen. TikTok. For one... Wow. Für wie viel haben sie es gewollt? Weiß ich nicht. Okay. Al tusirmi mani leyoylobami. 9:07. 23 minutes bis market öffnet sich auf. Hoi alle tusir abos chule oylome. TIVC habe ich schon gefollowt a few days. Bumski. Haben wir also geliebt. Oh yeah. Let's go. Let's get this morning started. Ungeheuer spät. So, aber noch ein bisschen zerflickt und zerfliegen. Wer was gewalt du sie. Ich meine, in Japan gewesen ein emergency meeting, wo es mit dort wegen der Tariffs. Ich meine, dort noch der Stock geholt. Also in Texas hat Nächten verloren a monkey. Sand laufen a monkey. Just imagine. Oder auch hat man verloren a Bucher in Yeshiva. Almost the same thing. Sie mir da stille free, a stille morning, a stille Donnerstag, man greizt sich für the Schar, for the weekend. Yankee T, good morning. Go find on here. With no fear. Go find do. How you doing? How's your morning? Eloi, 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 se shubuchai. Mana, 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 lai, lai. Lai, lai, lai. Da, 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 da. Dee da da dee da 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 bam ba. NIFV sound ja stickel wilder. Ach mi Pizarro. Loy, 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 se shuwacha. Toidu, toidu. Nicht nach Trump gerät, mein big surprise. Trump hat gerät. What could be, you know? All right. Skiktos wie seit penny stocks do. Nothing crazy going on. Nothing really going out. Bitcoin 81,000. Alles hat genommen als ein Stückel Dump. Der Oilem ist sehr ungezogen. Der was hat Geld watscht. Und der was hat Geld in der Saat und will herankäufen, weiß noch nicht, das ist der Bottom zu nicht. Ich meine, dass es geht an einer transitory position. Meaning, es geht ein bisschen ruhig ein, aber noch dem, nicht meine financial opinion, meine professional opinion, nicht meine professional opinion, hat er sich aufgegangen, der Oilem ist ruhig. Ich meine, Amerika nicht siegen wollen, that someone really means what he says. Ich hoffe auch, dass er Brooklyn. Such mal Cycle, sucht er aber. Meint nicht, als, wie sucht man? I'm not saying that that will happen, because I don't know. The Cycle, Ayusha, sucht er so. Baby, it is definitely Betty, baby. Better than that, better than that, man. Where is the ba la la da. The market is like still, sehr still. Ba la 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 la. Walking on their lines. Did you review Jim 999? Ich juck mich jetzt nicht zu reviewen. Ich try nicht noch zu laufen, the shiny brand new object, if you know what I mean. Why? Good morning, why? How you doing? Whoa, you have muscles? Mental muscles or the physical muscles? What are you saying? These beauties? Both. Now I'm blushing from within. Thank you, Jim. Listen, er gaat to the gym with a J. With a Y. With a J. With a G. No, I ga niet in gym. Although, nog peiser gaat man nog mal trying unterhalben. Jiu-Jitsu. We're gonna need to get better. We need to get back into it, minute to say. Wow. 9:17. 13 minutes, market open. Nicht vergessen, das ist nicht kein Financial Advice. So, und ich hätte Viggy gesucht, Viggy gemacht. Viggy hat nicht gesucht, und Viggy hat nicht gemacht. Alright? Lass Viggy in draußen von alle deine Financial Decisions. At least du auf the stream. Geht der Akte darauf? Ich habe noch the original CD in my car, by the way. In my car came with a 6. You guys won't believe it, but my car came with a 6 CD changer. Isn't that an amazing option? Huh? I have the choice between 6 CDs. Okay? Whenever ich will, kann ich switchen. And woo. Avi Vogel. Good morning. We got Antwerp in the house. Jetzt haben wir an Antwerpen. Wie sucht man geht morgen auf eine andere Sprache, wo die kannst reden? Guten Morgen, Sie. Buongiorno. Buongiorno. Boker Tov. Nice. Buongiorno, buongiorno. Am Israel. Avi, you're pushing it now. Avi, you're pushing it now. Okay, reddit's nicht an, okay? Avi, too much. Avi, too much. Is that much we can trust you? Is that much? Your trust level is going down the drain, I tell you. So ich konnte umgehen mit der F-Shit. Noch geht es, highly unlikely. Noch dem geht es, in Garbicha. Digga, 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 da, da, di, dam. Digga, 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 da, gam. Yossi Braver. Good morning. BM. Hello and welcome. Good morning, good morning. Shining zu sein, du in der Früh. Käufer machen dann Coffee mit Viggy. We do appreciate. Bam, bam, bam. Oh yeah. 3:15. Drei 15 though. What's the nice, no? I know the therapeutic. לפני המלך. דיגה 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 די. המלך. How's it going, everybody? $9.22. Ze gaat bald almost weer naar zo. Leshuno Abu. Lamo Azafkani. 5, 4, 3, 2. Wenn man kann choosen zu sein happy, try to choosen zu sein happy. Und wenn du bist verkackt, dass du wissen, dass er bleibt nicht forever. Let the bloodbath start, yes. You gotta be very careful today. You gotta sound sehr careful. Mit der Watschen. Du weißt, man trefft eine teute Sache auf der Floor. Geht man das als Setz mit der Stecken oder wie? Like, kennst du den Meme? Come on, move. Also ist das an. Das Shabbos. Oh, morgen ist Freitag. Sagt man schon almost noch mal bei Shabbos. I think the market will be halted today. Heulius. Japan hat gehaltet. Ich meine, sie geht noch 7%, 8% haltet, or something like that. But nicht vergessen, also viele in the Great Depression sind Menschen geworden Millionären auch. So, es ist nicht, weil alles ist bakar. Bis die auch ist bakar. No. Sie do Menschen, die gehen bakar. But that doesn't mean that die bis bakar. You know what I mean? Like Viggy. All right. Jetzt weiß ich schon, welche Sache der Like Viggy ist geschrieben. Sie die bekackte Satz nicht. I'm gonna choose to take it of the was is nicht. That's that. Because het nicht gewollt auslassen keinem. Het nicht gewollt auslassen keinem. Oh, Millionaire Jim. I'll take that, Jim. Weißt doch, you don't have to convince me. Ich meine, als just gewollt machen, jedem fertig. Ich meine, viele net ist Rule hat gemacht, ich meine, like 14%, 15% tariff or something like that. Alle Judaica Sachen gehen nach oben, Hebra. All the Judaica stuff are gonna go up. Better be ready for the Judaica stuff. 17% looked at. All right. Gonna be a big hit. Listen, wir darf nehmen eine große Hit. Also wie der Rebelsline got a große Hit. Und eine große Hit kann man gar nicht oben. You know what I mean? 9:25. We got fleeing in the hive. 10 minutes. See market open. Let's go. Lass mal sehen. Oder the Gits oder the Devastation. לא לפחד, לא. זהו, זה כאן סגת אניגמה, דף שמוירו, מרקט הרוב. Jetzt gehen wir sich geschlossen. Tariffs, Tsuras. We're not gonna let it bring us down. Wo sollst du für down? Adi bist down, bist doch der Market down und noch der alles down. So no way. Wow. TCRT. $9.27. 3 minutes. See, hell or heaven. We shall see. The value of the dollar dropped 5% overnight, so now it's another 5% on top of the tariffs. This is alles nur, again, my unprofessional opinion. This is alles nur, wenn man geht a schlepper up the bandage, es geht wein, jeder eine geht weinen, es geht rupen nach oben, und da muss straschen. But it will level itself out. Sie haben doch gehalten, wie man fuhrt, sich nicht geht. So we gotta make a U-turn. Man macht a U-turn, fliehen Sachen in der Car, einer hat a bottle in Kopf. It happens. I think everyone's got at least 10%, yes. Basically, a blanket, a blanket overall. 9:28. Ooh, sind wir early oder late? Mal sehen, was geschehen. How darf man just, I just want to be on the sidelines, you know what I mean? Besides Russia. Well, gewiss, there's a Russian agent. Well, gewiss, that was Russian. Rabbi Putin is putting him into place, huh? We might go up, who knows? You read the Tzarich Aliyah, was sagt man? Darf man sagen, Tzarich ein Zier aufzugehen? Listen, ein bisschen Arug eines auch geht. Der von allen Menschen gekauft Putz. He's acting like a madman. Sometimes you need a madman. Brooklyn. Und so haben wir gesehen, als wenn der andere gewähnt Präsident, als der Redel is controlled by other people. So, überzeremmen der Redel, darf man machen ein bisschen shaky, and shaky, man darf ein Madman in der Office. You read the Tzorech Aliyah. Yossi Brabra. Came in clear. 9:29. Market is open, Hebra. Hold on to your britches. Let's go. Alles is right. Sie ist den ganzen right. Mit dem kann man nicht kaufen, kannst du im Brot. Wait out there, health insurance. Wait out there, health insurance. Wait out there, health insurance. Para-bara-la-la-la. Para-bara-bara-pam-pam. Para-bara-bara-pam-pam. Pam 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 pira pam pam parira pam 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 pam. Bis du alles noch gereut haben. Oi, tachte, help and join, help and join. Oi, tachte, help and join, help and join. Para bam bam bam. Everything's going slowly back up. That will be nice. אישך בלבך ויעשו חולם אגודה אחת אישך בלבך ליי 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 ליי. Gotta be careful with it for your few minutes. Yes, agreed. Agreed. Pa para para pa pa para para para. Let's go. Para la 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 la. Oy da shiveinu. Lebedik. Ayreinu. Shona shali. Paralala, Tolcha. Good morning. Man just a bissel do Echomrim. Verneem a bissel. Bogen staan een speit. Mag er ook gekratst van bed speit. We willen net mijn life a bissel easy. Jetzt bin ich ein bisschen dizzy. Mach ein Joke. Ich hab nicht gegramt mit busy. Doch ein bisschen anlangen dizzy. Told you, so gehen besser, wenn der Nummer ist Easy. Joking. By the way, Easy hat noch nicht gesehen, als ist ein Member. I mean, at least as much as we know. It's a rainy day. It's okay. Yes, it is a rainy day. Geh mal da Kika raus, also. Regnet. NIVF. Let's go, NIVF. Interessant, ich herauf kommen auf dem. Real Tesla 272, okay. Bitcoin is 82,000. It is a rainy day. Pa, pa, pa. But we won't make it rainy over here. We'll have sunshine right here. Dat hebben ze geschloten. One, two, three, four. Oy shanu, heilige Bashefer. Oy shanu, shanu. Herschen deine Kinderle. Oy shanu, shanu. Oy shanu, heilige Banalala. Oy shanu, shanu, shanu. Deine Kinder schreien noch. Oh, Shanu. Ich war du NIVF geworden auf Hof, auf Hof. Met zijn effend hoofd, will sell. Du hast 20 Cent gap. Intera-Dollar. Ich stehe weg von Intera-Dollar. What's prediction? Ich do kein prediction. Sagen Sie, ich bin du in a trade. NIVF. Ich darf nur sagen, du bist effend auf. Sie Intera-Dollar. So ich kick nicht echt Intera-Dollar, really. Hoy shanu, hoy shanu, Izzy, good morning, good morning. Hello and welcome. Wieso fühlt es sich an auf the other side? Izzy finally worked. Das haben wir finally gemacht, Izzy, für a member. Beautiful tries in some God. How are you, Izzy? Deze told you yes kann ich suchen Dizzy, weil da angekommen Izzy. TCRT op mich. Echt, dat is eigenlijk. How did Izzy become a member? People were sending out, and yesterday, Pinny G or Sally or one of them, he got a member. Pinny, you come out for a member? Thanks, Pinny. But thanks everybody who so getried though. Sie kann sein, als hat gewartet, als nicht an auf a Stream. I don't know. Mach eigene Bonus. Ich höre, be the reason someone smiles. Das hat mich mal das Yeshiva ausgelernt. Gib ein Compliment. Such für einen shiny sweater, shiny coat, nice smile. You look good today. Shiny car. Such, have a wonderful day. Be someone's reason to smile. Easy, we'll be back in 20 minutes. Nice. Ich kann von rein, kann man für eine Minute. Be the reason someone smiles. Someone wants. Rules verbrechen 147. Brech 147. Laila melego. Come on, finish it up. Hey, papa. Papa. I wanna be you. Papa. I wanna be you. Sie mir das a stille morning an. Which is okay. We need one of those as well. Jetzt bin ich holtet auf Arup. Ja mama, ja mama, ja ja ja. Ja ma dibidai, ja ma dibidai, ja 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 ja. Ja bidai, ja ja ja. Didida, mein didida, Sally. Hello and welcome. Schein dir zu sehen, du. Aber jetzt ist es auf Hold. Jetzt kannst du nicht verkaufen oder kaufen. Ein didida, Sally's here to lighten up the room. She's here to salify it. Penny G. Good morning. She kicked us out the market. From my point of view, from my unprofessional opinion. Penny, how's the office, by the way? Not everything is on hold. Wat Sachen richten sich sehr also wie aruf, like as in sehr statement if I know what I'm talking about. Nicht vergessen, also ich weiß, ich kann nicht, was ich rede, okay? Alles ist rot. The future is right. Today's right. Are all platforms on hold? So this platforms is the stock. Or by stock kriegt sich a certain amount of percentages. Geht es daran in hold. Hold is a mechanism, als man nicht werden kann free fall. Bam, ba-da, ba-da-ba-bam. Nog gedacht, we warten voor een minuut. Hold is to fill up the order books, yes. Wat ze ook het op zijn richt zich ziet, zeg Jossie. Zij wil niet alweer een spiral selling of spiral, you know, going out of control. So ze gaat eraan een hold. Two mensen hebben maar timer voor them. Like a certain percent, a certain amount of time, gaat ze eraan automatic hold. In general, what is the best platform to kick? Ze wensen hoe die wil staan. Ze doen mensen zo'n $2,000-3,000 a gooi voor de services. Ze zijn snel in en out. Zo, ze niet doen echt platforms. Ze wensen weg in mijn treden die wil staan. Lo you do, oh, vaya Sally. Is this? Hello you do, oh. Vaya Sally, yes. Boom, 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 boom. Hello you do. Ze zag me beter hold it. Was het af. That it has to catch up between all the sellers and buyers. It has to catch up. Ze doen overstijgt 124 en doen ze kopen en sellen. En ze doen a penny difference between selling and buying. Zag me beter breiter en breiter. Wie niet te zeggen, jene verkoopt het voor $1 en die koopt het voor 2. Ik ben naar roos vandaan. Body da da da, and you hold me down. Oh, the kitchen has been turned down. Good, Sally. Whew. We were all breathing heavily. We all went into labor breathing. But now that the kitchen is all turned over, let's go. Ah, ze gaan het zich Mililando. De Elgo weiß was in Zilmer haben. In the Hasidic world, is Vishnitz Hasidic considered more intellectual or more emotional? A Vishnitzer? How do you even answer that question? The Hasidus. I don't know how to answer that question. Oishano. Wat niet gedaan bij naar Roosgaard van dem te weten. But, neither. Ein Wort, Penny, ein Wort. Either the U.S. economy will improve and the tariffs will bring factories to the U.S. jobs at worst, or the country dropping their tariffs. Beide zijn een git. Right, but it can move a lot without holding them. The point it does not. Yossi, bei uns sucht man die Brüllek im Geheim. Die bist gerecht und ich bin gerecht. Everybody is right. to do a few factors with a staggeiter on and halt. So I shouldn't have gone out of this trade, but I'm getting a bit afraid. How would you categorize Vizhnitz? Oy vey. I have no idea. Hello Vilna? The Rebbe is gesund. The Lubavitcher singen den Nigen. Der Rebbe is gesund. I don't want to say to make haters. There's no haters here. Rapidaro. Sie definitely nicht a schlugedige Chassidus, also wie Satmer. Satmer ist eher schlugedig. Also wie Ger ist schlugedig. Die ist Chappen für ihr Markus. Sei es Satmerisch. Vizhnitz, sagt man, oi weh, ich will geben mal Zippe. Wieso. Satmer ist der Best. Sie wendet sich was. Schießen Steiner auf A. Preifen aber nach Jolbas. The best. Put it this way, you need intellectualism to create real passion. Alright? Sie wendet sich auf was. Lubavitch is the best, sie spreaden Yiddishkeit und bringen the awareness für Mashiach. Wenn nicht Lubavitch, hat man nicht so viele gewusst. Satmar is the most normal. Sie wendet sich, die kommst du mit der Escalade in die donates the building. You know what I'm saying? I'm talking about the Hasidic views. Lecha Elomin. Let me. Ich hab das verpasst. God damn it. Welke Satmer? Alle Satmeren. Jossi, alle Satmeren. Sag ik weer. Wo steht auf der Rapper? So wie die Chocolates, so alle haben derselbe Taste. Just a andere color. Satmer is de schmitzigste Chassidus. I mean, so far, om de Satmer Pirates had ausgegeben alle podcasts, including Ellie Weber, Shmies and Viggy, and Nachiyabo. I'm just saying. It's all the same. YouTube recommended some channels yesterday. He sounded to me Vizhnitz, but I can't even... Just a feeling. What made him sound Vizhnitz? Ooh. Ellie's not Satmer. What's is there? A offshoot from Satmer? A Puppener? Puppener is Satmer. Viggy's not Schmidt. Jim, I appreciate that. And Nachi also not? Peggy Schmidt. Avrumi. Hello and welcome. Everybody shake your legs. Digga down. Papa is not Satmar. Tell me, I'm curious. Like, what would you say to the main Indian for in Unum in Vishnitz? It's $15 sale, huh, Sally? You went it's free to get his name, and then it's. I'm a spin-off of Vishnitz. Brooklyn always knew you were dizzy. Now we know, because you were a spin-off. Gotta represent, yep. Booba, 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 Rabba dabba dee ba boo ba 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 bee ba ba. Geheer ik harim gegoilet mit de ICCT. Kimt sich mehr größer Patch. Kimt sich mehr größer Patch. Para para ba ba. My grandfather was close to Imre Chaim. Oh, with the Chushivkeit. 1, 2, 3, go. Bam, 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 bam. Laten we zijn met de SMP. Oeh. Ah.
ואני פה אבוד כמו ילד קטן סופר עד 10 פותח את עיניי אבא בוא אליי מחפש אותך מאחורי העצים מאחורי כל הדברים
Oh, nice, Brooklyn. Brooklyn, this is funny because we don't know how you look at the Visit the Best. Because I'm one of those people with the Rebbe Einikel. And you just have a phone, huh? When you're listening to us. And you're thinking we will never recognize you, huh? Brooklyn, is your name Hager? That's what I meant to say. Is Sally Satmer? Sally Satmer, nah. I went to Vishnit's wedding in Israel many years back. The women were wild, super friendly and sweet. Sally, did you get any numbers? Shikara numbers. I'm kidding. It's a joke. But never learned the Vishnitz. Okay, eine kann machen Research, welche Einigung von Vishnitz er hat nicht gelernt in Vishnitz. Ten reasons I can't say I'm Lubavitch. I don't fit with their culture. CG. Hello and welcome. Sally, if your husband is Satmar, then you're also? That's how it goes? Sefut mit dem Mann? Dich man Tate.
weiter, 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 Tate, helf uns weiter. Weiter, 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 Tate, helf uns weiter. Weiter, 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 Tate, helf uns weiter. Weiter, 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 Tate, helf uns weiter.
The bells, Shushan and Square Rebbetzin used to come to all our chasanas. Wow, nice. Mit Square Rebbetzin pflege ich gearbeitet na messaging company. She was always very nice to me. Pflege anangan to the host. Only good memories from here. Oh. Why am I keep missing it? Why do I keep missing this? Yeah. Through my life, I met a lot of interesting people. Durch Arbeit and this. But when the moment I meet them, I don't feel like, oh, I getroffen meinem. I see it like a regular day. And then later on, we're like, oh, we look back. Oh. Like Toshe Rebbe, right? The alte Toshe Rebbe. His last year and a half, I most probably went into him like 100 times. But nothing really, but once he died, then I look back, I'm like, oh, wow, okay, what is this? Dow down 1,400? Hey, listen. Nobody's gonna like the tariffs. The oil schleppt er aus Geld. The deep state will the gemeente brengen, right? So big money is trying to kick him. Yeah. I used to go work-wise twice a week to Tosh. I went to Tosh. I grew up Hasidish. We did not learn a damn thing about Hasidus. Aber die Sache ist, wenn man wächst auf, darf man nicht lernen. Die bist das. Other people should learn you know what I mean? But I get what you're saying. Nah, but behind shows you that. Was the alte Toshe Rebbe like? Did he speak to him? Gewinnt sei hatte da interessante Schmeichel. He wasn't audible really as much as I was there when I was a kid, and he always gave me a smile. Later on in life, when I walked in, he always used to look up and give me a schmeichel. When you walk in with a certain attitude, the whole room changes. It's very schwer sometimes, you know? Like, see the environment. Brooklyn, when I lived in Muncie, I was in Cheder. When the Rebbe was still alive, and after never someone else. My father goes to the BP, so that closest one, I'll say. So Yankee T, bist da Beijnitzer? What kind of Hasidus community did you grow up in? Sally, you better be careful. Grow up? Yes, that's very special. Satmar Muncie, which was a little lighter than Monroe and Winnesburg. It was the Marlboro Lights. It was the Satmar Lights. No. It's good. I just had different thoughts, Sally. Nicht alles, was geht daran in Kopf, I share. You know what I'm saying? So I just want to respect the room. You did good. There was nothing wrong. Nilecho bo kay said melicho. Keiser Melichu. Keiser Melichu. Jetzt will ich wie Reis am noch laufen, so I'm gonna leave it be. Borough Park. But I sag mal mit der Rebbe, the problem is that if he has too many Hasidim, he can't keep up. Like Square is still run, sort of like the old types. But once he bist a Rebbe, too many people, too many problems. I freaking missed this move. Damn it. Why? The old Monty Vision Rebbe came to my grandfather to collect money. Obviously. He saw the TV in the living room and he left. But he left with the money, Brooklyn, right? Yeah. He did not leave the check, huh? Shia. Hello and welcome. He definitely took the check. The guy does. Shia Friedman, how you doing? Alle Chassiden. Kijk, gaan we geschregen. Oh, good, thank God. Nice. Soll der Gein besser, Schei? Soll ich fahren around checken? The TV screen in the 70s, ik weet dezelfde idee wie radio, maar je kan zien de mens was red. That's it. The news, yeah. We have this new technology. I can talk over here and you can see me over there in the dining room. Get the TV screen for $370. It has 4 colors and 6 channels. Ooh, 6 channels? How are we gonna pick and choose? Well, we're gonna introduce a remote. And the men are gonna just be flipping through. In Israel, there were 2. We used to go visit Bobby for the for the cartoons. Arala Samet, Nas Hashem Yedaber Pi. V'nach kol busar, shaim kochoy. Yedaber Pi. Hashem Yedaber Pi. Shaim kochoy. What do you mean, Sally? What did you do, Sally? You emailed them? With all excitement? While texting saying, I shouldn't be doing this, I shouldn't be doing this. What? Why? Okay, Sally, you wanted to keep it to yourself, huh? You wanted to keep the excitement for yourself, huh? There's nobody here that needs a gifted membership. No, it doesn't seem like it. I should really be saying, yeah, everybody wants, but I'm not gonna lie. I didn't think before I emailed. That frequent problem in my life. Tell me about it. Brooklyn, our work here is done. Good one. He made himself hard to get, yeah? He was playing hard to get, huh? We got him. The Dow is down. 1500. Come on. V'tayli b'ayni, le'yavdechu. Oh wow, kijk naar die gap. Zo ga even met dat gap aan, hè? Well, time to buy. This financial advice. Did you see the Kraus Trammel seller? Ich habe es gesehen auf KJ News. Ich habe ihm geschickt eine Message. I'm like, wie will man gehen? Wie will man gehen damit? Und gefragt sie, es ist der neue 5G in Tennis. Easy, by the way, I don't clean cars. We're going to do daily. Die bist in der Tate doch, oh, in der doch. Wow, deze is de 08 kraag en deze de COVID kraag. Kunnen we zien wie is de guy drapen, wie is de guy toonkomen. Because it's me on that ad. Yankee T. Laat me zijn, what do you mean? Yankee, you're a Hold on. Laat me snel terug gaan te dem. Laat me gaan te de KJ News. Oh, na, ich kann schon nicht sehen, was ist noch 24 hours. Schick es heran. Schick heran dem Ad. Gotta see you. Was ist das, die? Yankee is definitely a model. Hallo. Peisach. Stramelsachen. Pinny G, you're welcome. From all the people, by the way. You so gave him positive. A few years ago, you would laugh. People that know me. Sally is making a list. Ba, ba, da, ba, ba, ba. I don't have it. Ik wil de ad. Wie de ad? I mean to say KJ News. Laat me vragen KJ News. Zie. Ba 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 ba.
Wissen darf man wissen, als nicht alles kann man wissen.
Sally, the people that make Blacklist also say don't worry. Does it come with the gifts? German. Only positive, Viggy. I emailed you. Oh, okay, I got it. Let's go. Viggy got it. Show that. I will show that. Yankee T, nema huge breath, okay? A deep breath in. Nema deep breath in. Hold on. Fama gaat eraan te doen, hè? Laat me zien daar. Okay, am I getting a drum roll here, people? Are we getting a drum roll? Yankee T, macht sie ein euch. Na, en me geschickt the ad. You guys are ready? Pinny G. Right there. Sie kijkt aus wie ein Kroos. Kijkt aus wie Yankee. De Yankee T van mir. Ja. What? That's a shame I missed that. All right. Kan je eens een Samara model doen? Van wo zoekt man niet? Why didn't anybody tell us? Yankee. Houdt zich zo hinter de rest. Come on, Yankee. Replacing boiler. Landlord says 400 discount on rent. Nice. Here gave my shout out for Yankee T. Fire. Al Nissim. Wie al uoi. Yankee T behoudt zich door in de stilheid. What was the edit? Yes. Oder zu machen auskicken weniger schöner, Yankee, weil man nicht gold Oilem soll dich zerchappen. Huh? Is that what's going on here? Mod gemein is the editen? How much are they paying? Jim, gleich herankommen mit der chassidische question. Although, Jim, das will man alle wissen, you know? My face a little. Cheeks, man. Nee, mach doch schnarrig. Cheeks, mix. Next, maar gedenk niet. Meaning to say like, it's beautiful and on. Wenn ich soll wissen, da sind schon mal Models, du? Wie bist du?
Wo's bist du? Wie bist du? Bist du noch wach? Wie lang will ich singen? Alles schon gemacht.
Go do on, Yankee. Yankee looked it. I thought it's going to bring me a shadichem, but forgot to put my number there. Good.
Mashiach soll schon kommen, Mashiach soll schon kommen.
Pinny G, I sense a big brucha coming your way. This was a physical flood. Now comes a spiritual. Ooh, Sally, twisty twist. But I look much better in real life. The einzigste Mensch, was darf deze trachten, is die in dan future wab. Everybody else, irrelevant. Really. Besides if it's your business and you make money from your looks. In wat we alle en zal komen. Het is schon komen. Brooklyn. Thank you, Brooklyn. Wow. Ik voel alsof je jetzt einfach mag aufsetzen, Brooklyn. Like, Thank you, Brooklyn. Can I ask you a question? Don't want to trigger? Sally, you know when you come in like that? That itself is a trigger. No disclosing on public platforms identities. Okay. Why in the Shidduchim do people only meet twice? Why the parents choose the spouse? Sally, a bucher who sits in yeshiva. We're not going to discuss if it's right or wrong. I'm just going to say, I'm going to try to have the peace of mind. The piece of the, how I see it. A bucher sits in yeshiva, he doesn't really know. Wus meidel, die meidel, he doesn't really know. Now, that comes with community. Everybody's going to help you. You're in a cocoon. So at the family matches, meaning to say, if the family matches, the shidduch has a bigger chance of working. So if the mother and father and the two sides are good, and the bucher gaat erover red aimul and things are good, you're ready for marriage. You know what I'm saying? I'm not saying it's right or wrong. I'm just saying, what else do you want this bucher or meidel to redden to the bucher? They haven't spoken once. Who's doing 2 dates only? It's not even dates. I have a friend of mine that went to his first show, ungeteam via Husen. En ook dan van Instagram had man gemaakt een picture wie biked zich op de knee, weil de googt haar bom. So. Zijn is ook aan interest. Zijn ook aan personalities. Wil zijn een eerlijke jid en brengen kinderen en opbouwen een Yiddische house. Do you have that? Good, let's go. And also, the younger you get married, in a sense, the more you could grow into one. You know what I mean? Meaning to say is, a ältere Bucher, a ältere Jingle, I have ideas, you gotta mold. When man ying, beide werden molded in one. You ever saw a sign? In Brooklyn, you can see a tree that has a sign going through it. Why? There was a sign there, a small tree, both grew, saying the tree grew, and so tarangin him at the sign. So the same thing. Again, I do a sachmul, wenn a Bucher kommt da raus und sagt, will nicht der Meidl, und man hört ihm aus, yeah, there is. Sie gehen einmal a Bucher, ist rangegangen für a show, steht in Red, noch 45 minutes, der Bucher kijkt in der Tate, und sieht, der Tate ist ein bisschen nervös. Noch a show, kommt da raus, der Mama fragt ihm nie, ja, sie kijkt aus, geht. Der Tate ist nervös, fragt wo sie, sagt kick, ich gemacht ein bisschen Research, und sie sagen mir, der Meidl ist slow. Rief sich der Bucher, don't worry, Tati, ich juck mich nicht. Jim. I don't think she meant that. All right? I don't think she meant that. You're going the Nachi direction. Brooklyn bederigt Sachas as a joke. You're right. Sally just like you wouldn't marry a sick man. But any man marrying Sally is a sick man. It's a joke. Sally's a good sport. She'll get it. So why so much divorces? Okay. The idea of divorces years ago wasn't really in the mindset. Now it's more. Also, every family that had 18 kids, the bubble grew so much. So even a 1%, if you have 100 people and 1% is getting divorced, that's one person. But if you have 1,000, that's already 10. If you have 10,000, so that's how the numbers just go up. And more people get the idea. Copycats. And also people want to leave. So ungeheim bekommen telephones. You know, telephones, different ideas. Spreiten the horizons. Some families where the families do not do research and they just make a shine shidduch for them. But there's also good marriages. I mean, like someone said, there's good cops. I just haven't met one. But he's sure there is, you know? Wo's bin ich wrong? Wouldn't be the first, it wouldn't be the last. Yo, Sally, we know you're not trying to put down. We get it. Dates has nothing to do with divorces? I'm not... What? Did I say that it does? I can't convey my gentle tone. Type it slower. Sally, sie gehen einer, was hat heimgeschickt a letter to his mama. And he knew his mother can't read fast, so he wrote it very slowly. Viggy, you're wrong, but for what he doesn't know. Once upon a time, they were in Sapmir, and as example, the outside is dress reflects how as good for some more, less likely today. A full magarb. Yep. If he or she is sick, the parent, no. Sometimes they don't say it. I know, ze likt me da maas in kop, wie a Meidl hat Chasana gehabt. Ich meine mit der Bucher oder der Meidl. One of them were like, oh, die Chasana gehabt, man darf schon nicht an auf Pills. 2 Wochen noch der Chasana geflogen bänklich. You know what I'm saying? Is ook het, ze komt van een plaats van arranged marriages. The priorities are moeilijk geween anders. Nog de mulchume, vader mulchume geween survival, nog de mulchume geween just op gassen, mag kinder. It wasn't about matching, it wasn't about dating, it wasn't about good vibes. Doesn't work that way. Now we have luxury. Now we want to match, we want to have a good vibe, we want to live life and laugh. Those people didn't have time to laugh. They were serious, like, let's go, marriage, kinder, family, I'm Shechala, 15 passenger van. I was married young and it works. It's working, but nice, Penny. Good for you. Yoni. Yoni? Hello and welcome. Once upon a time was about family. Yichus. Also Yichus. Also Ooskicken geht. Also, single life has become way more comfortable than ever in history. History. You don't need anybody. You could sub out everything. You know, literally you can sub out everything from washing laundry to dishes to even have kids. You can alles handschenken. So being single has a new meaning. A few days ago, I gered met einem, and he tells me that he just wants to move into a basement and never come out. So later in the conversation, I realized as just because he had such a hectic childhood with so much noise and so much uncertainty, and jede Sache gegen patch and schreien, that his brain freaks out about everything and just wants to be stuck away in a basement. Ich will heimgehen, ich sicher aber der richtige Weg. Benny, you got sort of lucky, you know? Last night, a woman with 8 kids and 36-year-old got engaged to someone with money and 62 years old. Brooklyn, you just said money. Ken wie veel kinderen me wil. Ze doet geld. I wanna go home. I think in Chabad there's no divorces. Jim, ich bin gegangen zu Kola der Chauffeur. 99% von der, ich bin dort gewesen. Ich gewesen Lubavitcher. Man Hut hat sich aufgestellt in den Kopf. Von der Sachen, was ich auch gehört. So, yeah. That was a few years ago. Man, oh man. What a crazy situation. Owns a tons of real estate, but his ex is tied up in court. Like every true ex. The guy just... Jim is steering the tune. So, ich habe lange nicht gesehen, Zach, du. Where is Zach? Where is Zach? Imagine I have to keep my insecurity hidden. Yes. Some people get lucky that they match with their wife in that realm. Du hast auch Menschen, was haben Moide zu reden zu sein, because they don't know how they're gonna react. And by the way, that's why, but that's why Peggy, something like Peggy, the idea, could help out communities where people that have different ideas should be able to communicate. Eight boys, 2 sets of twins. She never wanted to take birth control, and that's why she got divorced from her first husband. Ooh. Phew. I mean, the 8 boys would say that she didn't want to be on birth control. I smell sarcasm. I get a marriage, I would say. Hot Epis fights. 2 humans are gonna fight. 2 humans are gonna be on edge. No, the question is, when do you azov at agaz? She's going to pop more popcorn? Yankee. She's gonna be riding that train until the end of the line. Never, I'll die on this hill. Well, that will be the hill everybody remembers you on. You see that hill, kids? That's Sally's hill. 18 kids. Yeah, listen. Als Shmagogi arbeit and kennen rot geld, then 18 kids it should be. If you have money, you should make kids. How many non-Jews do you know that have 50 years anniversaries? Asach. Happens to be. 1.8 million for chasanas. Way more because the kids are going to get married later on. So later on with inflation, way more. Disregard. The problem is, as wenn man hat Geld Brooklyn, darf man machen a schönere Chassana, weil man expect, weil die hast mehr Geld. So es ist, als eine regular Chassana kommt aus Hinder, das ist zu liken, du noch ein Hindertippus. Weißt du mal, regular Chassana? Das ist der Real Estate in der Saat. Man, hallo. Wo sollen dann ein Freund suchen? Ich belebt nur einmal. Halleches Koyanim. What's the accurate number? Oy, bye. Brooklyn is emailing Penny. Penny, the number guy. Give me the numbers. Penny, you're the number guy. You should know. When Mashiach comes, I'm gonna have a whole bunch. MCTS. Good morning, good morning. How are you? How's it going? We have to think you live, and let's go, you leave, we go, go. Pam para pira pam pam para pam. 3, 2, 1. Gulas is messed up. That's all I gotta say. So over it. There's a lot of variables. Which hole, which gifts, fancy Shabbos, Sheva Bruchas. After giving the deposit, buying a ring in 6 days is almost out. 40K. Brooklyn. Sorry. Sorry, Brooklyn. Chofas di hostasach. So you don't have to, you know. Speaking of kids costing money, gotta take the orthodontist. God help me. No, God help him. He's the one who's going to the orthodontist. You're just taking him. Jim, he's in Canada. Alles is free. Penny is like writing more papers now. Gotta make more calculations. Nemstros a calculator. Okay, he's 5 now. Compound interest. Er de Hagiti English, so he'll get married young. So I gotta stop putting away money and I'm out geld from the pishkes. In the pishkes, I tell ya. Rabadabadabada. Sally, don't say it twice. If you say we need help with all things, even the little things, doesn't little things go into the all things? No restaurants for me. That's it. No more restaurants. We kauft alles in bulk. We're sleeping on the floor, kids. We're selling the beds. We are selling the beds. Da-da-da. Oh, da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da. Wash your own floors? Who has money for mops and wash? Hello? We only move things in the side. We kick them. Thank God we're only giving rings and earrings. Penny G, your income is going to increase. Yes, we will send out positive energies. Positive energy. Izzy, Kimta, Peggy's podcast. Whoa, sadly, never got an engagement ring from my husband. Somehow I survived. Oh my God. So how did he propose? Or did he? Or you're sitting somewhere in a basement, you're not married, nothing, no orthodontist, goonish. You're like, let me fake them all. Midas over money. I like that. More women should hear that, sadly. More women should hear that. Sadly, if somebody would ask you, like, how would other men know you're married? Well, don't sleep with them. That could be a start. Good. Family B. Family B, Family B. Good morning, hello and welcome. Viggy, what's the conversation? Oh, wow. It's a ganz interessante conversation. In Sredmer, so wir geredet von Hasidus, Connections. Noch ist man rübergegangen zu Shedichem, noch ist man rübergegangen zu Geld wegen Shedichem, wieso Shedichem arbeiten. Und man halt jetzt, also wie viel es kostet eine Chassana. Und Sally sagt, dass ich nicht bekomme kein Ring, and she's all good, because she's from Midas. Sam! Hello and welcome. He just asked. I said yes. Turns out, you don't need jewelry to marry your Bashirta. By the way, you don't need jewelry, but you need a ring. There's a price for it. And rings was made, the diamond rings were made by Hollywood. Just by the way, if you look back, and the reason why they used to give jewelry for women is to show that the men will be able to protect. Anscheinend ist ein Mädel von Monroe für Viggy. Good morning to you too, Sam. Midas over money. Sally, you're one of the few. Most Meidlich are like, I could be, he's a little rough on the edges, but look at my ring. Sally, I'm afraid to come. Okay. Sally's Ranky McClure. Family B EMT, hello. Yes. Family B, wie halt's der Tacke mit der EMT-Situation? Kann man an klar. Ich kann euch easy von der Mannen. Oh, wait, hold on. He was in the Israeli army, he can protect. All right. Lab diamond, the way forward. Yeah, the last few days I learned there's two types of diamonds grown in labs. One with pressure and one with like a different method. Sam, why from Monroe? Because will Cheppanen, Jim. It's Cheppanen. Sabrucha mit Cheppanen. I love checking in there every day. Thank you, Family B. We appreciate you. We still don't have money, but still the best. Hey, it's Midas over money. That's what Sally says every night. We don't have food for heat. We don't have money for heat. Midas over money. Midas over money. Jim, Viggy, only a girl from Monroe? Sam hat das gesucht. Ich habe das gesucht. Will nur chappen, aber ich komme von Monroe. Das ist, da gibt es Chapper. Da gibt es Singer, Basinger. I have a massive rav about the subject. Rave? CVD or the HPHD? I guess they said that zwei diamond wegen, wie sie man kann was machen. Avi, we need more information. Schick it an. Marriage also grow from pressure. Okay. Midas over money, yes. Talking about army. You're talking about army, not EMT, right? Wer geworden? Oh, yes, Family B, was geworden? Du bist the military. I had it typed out. I'm sure everywhere in the house. Like, let me brush my teeth. We don't have toothpaste. Midas over money. Midas over. Sometimes I could use a little money, but mainly Midas. Ra-pa-pa-pa. Who is Yankee T? I'll show you. Yankee T. Hold on. Wait a minute. Feast your eyes, my man. Family B, look at the screen. Here is you go, Yankee T on the house. In the house. Wenn ich weiß, wenn in Sommer du am Model. Tschüss. By the way, frag Yankee, mit da fragen Kroos Stramlich, sie willen advertisen du. Ich will gehen mit der Strammel auf the stream. I do money and then mit us. The shidduch from my grandmother was made when she was... What? Yoni, hold on. The shidduch from my grandmother was made when she was 8. Important families. Person family bought her a doll, and she thought the doll was her husn. Good one. Yoni, I'll tell you a story in a minute. That's so sweet. Family B, are you in the IDF? Yes. Did you go to the Air Force or not? Very traumatic later on. I'm freaking sure, because you had to tell the girl, no, this is not the Husten. This is just a doll from the Husten. I posted the decision for after Shvias. Phew. All right, Family B. Hope the right decision will be made. I see what you're saying. Okay, HPHT is treated after growth. CVD is grown, and the result is what you have. Okay. When you have money, you have Midas. Nein, Jim. When you have money, this is a magnifying glass. So du bist gewinn an asshole for them, ist das ein größeren asshole. Bist du gehen an Gitter? Das ist ein Gitter noch dem. Zamalachon, nafshi, koma. Avi, die bist dort mit den Diamonds dort in Antwerp. Schon lange sich herausgefahren von der Bakery und sie sehen die Diamonds. Yoni, der Masse wegen deinem grandmother, whatever, grandfather becoming a, wie heißt das bei der 8. Ich habe gearbeitet in a group home. And one of the guys wanted to get married. So they made him like a whole mock wedding. En dan vleegt hij hem gaan, had gassen gehad. Er zeiger, bekam een Aschas. Ich meine, whatever, swore him. It's funny. What's up with the man for them? For all the jewelry needs, nice custom piece, hit me up. And a special service for members of Viggy. Avi komt eraan, kloot. Als je kan het connect met hem doen. Avi, can you host Viggy on Pesach? Jim komt eraan, kloot. Gotta go, guys. Have a great day. Sally, have a lovely day. I hope she says by the dentist. Stay calm, cool, and collective, Gebra. Story. In yeshiva, classmates got engaged, 26 to 26-year-old Yusam from poor family. He came to yeshiva as a host and told me that the Kala told him diamonds not necessary. Penny, good story. Kliegem idol. Okay, ladies, are out of the room. Now we can talk. Sally, my potato. Family be, neem es nicht personal. Sag mal, just geht es so. Avi, how is it nobody gonna declare? Brooklyn, was mit Titte Sohn, und man wacht über der Border, wie es ist mein eigener Jewelry. So, sind schon das ist gekauft. Kauft ein Diamond, kauft ein Sache, Titte Sohn, und die wachst darüber damit. Family B is a tzaddik, not a potato. No, Family B is definitely not a potato. But most probably it's if I guess not as a fliegt raus von der Bremen. Man kann es nicht nehmen persönlich, die Sachen. Please do not take these things personal, Family B. Be careful what you say. There is still a lady here. Whoop. We're going. All the men are like, delete. Backscape. Hold on a second. Day Nature Break is brought to you by. Be back in a minute. All right. Hogemeint gym guy joking. Okay, all the women did leave. But no. All right. Ask him. Listen to him. Hoydi lashem kitoy. Why ich geherig verpasst der ICCT. Jetzt erst mal. Yoni is a lady's name. I mean, that's how you call her. I would assume so. Tate mi gankendi. Joina, also wer Tobela. Oh, nice, okay. Tobela Cone. Sie ist auf der Phone. Ice cream cone. Kansas home. We don't know. All right. So weet Ella wat zeggen. Ella wat zeggen. Atzel zeggen. Mach doch an Tag lang Schrei auf Zion. How about man soll ihm noch machen und geben für jedem $6,000, oder? Weil er so willig und er so will sein, du bei Inseln Städtel, hat sich ungehoben drehen, an einer Sache, und wo ist das? Hell no. Shemai Rabu, alles Ruhe, Old playing Viggy. What do you say about the story? 3 posts? What am I? Penny, what do you mean? Ay, ay, ay. I don't think it was a good idea. That clip went viral. About the diamond rings. What do you say about the story? 3 posts. Sorry, Penny. That must be some better. I feel like it's going over my head. Izzy, have a lovely and awesome day. Yes, it's showing almost 11. Ich meine, we got this call for a few minutes. Penny, I want to know what you're asking about the diamond ring. Meaning, hold on. I told him to ask Das Toide. He listened and approached the Rav, and RY said yes. Buy a ring because the color now says it's okay, but down the road. Is that what you're talking about? Live tonight? Yes. Hopefully. That is the plan. Ich kann verstehen, weil a Meidl kann sagen, man sagen nein, und sie meint ja. Sadly. You know what I mean? Teure Mitzvahs. Also ich will und also jetzt sein. Du bei uns in Städtel. De Vetter is een groene, ze zijn gezind, het is maar zo geteen. En fertig. De Sache is, a Meidl, was will nicht bekommen, a ring. Oder is sie sehr klick. Oder versteht sie, als sie nicht bekommen, aber sie will es echt ja. And she's gonna resent you the whole life. You're busy. Wow, this is literally a piss off. Hold the mic. Get bastrike. Then I be still again. Digga dam. Azoy tzugen. Synergy, you know all the OTC vouchers? The most obvious stack hab ich nicht gefollowed. Ay. Ribbon Sheloila Tachula Ribbon Sheloila Ribbon Kulam Chulam.
Ribono shel oilam chag gehad Achulem. Ich weiß nicht, wo's im Schatz. Ich weiß nicht, wo's Chulam ich hab gehad.
Alright, Hebra. People used to pay weddings, so technically the wedding is charity. Digga dam. Refu aini alamet. Ja, kolaini. Family B. We're just about to leave anyways. Da-da-da-da-da-pa. Alright, Chevre. Selber Seiger. Sie zahle zu sagen goodbye. Sie kann mir nicht easy zu sagen goodbye. Aber man darf sich scheiden. Es soll definitely sein in Freuden. Wir geben ich euch für jeden einen, was du gehen für eine lange Zeit, für eine kurze Zeit. Die haben sich mich umgezogen auf andere Tab und viele gemacht mir gut. Ich kann euch, warum ich meine dir. Wir geben ich euch für jeden, was du gewinnt. Alle sharers, alle likers, alle subscribers, alle commenters, alle members, wir sind du gewinnt. I really do appreciate it. Ich kann euch Brooklyn für the membership. Ich kann euch Brooklyn für the super chat. Ich kann euch für everybody for being here, for making such a cool, calm community. I really do appreciate you all. Housekeeping. Hand achter Seiger live as planned. That's basically it. What else? That's it for housekeeping. Ich kann euch für jeden, was ihr gewinnt. And yeah, we'll see you all in the next one. But until next time, stay kind to one another. Peace.